Now, we talked about niches. Let's talk now about products. How do you find great products to promote? It's very important to find great products, but what makes a product great? Well, number one, it helps the person who buys it. That's very important. You only want to represent products that actually work because this is your reputation on the line as well as the product owners. After all, you're the person placing the ad. In many cases, you're the person building the list, so you want those people to be happy when they buy. Number two, it pays you well enough to reward your efforts. This is very important. Affiliate marketing is fun, but it's also work, and you should be paid for that work, and you should be paid handsomely. So you got to make sure the products you choose pay you well enough to reward your efforts. So what do you consider when considering products to promote? Number one, do you believe in this product? That's always a great place to start. If you have 3 or 4 products that you really love, you've bought them, maybe they're a membership site or an online service or something physical product. If you really love it, you're going to promote it more effectively because you believe in it. Next, does it pay you well? This is very important. Affiliate marketing is a business and you deserve to be paid very well. This is a vital consideration, one that many people overlook. While it's easy to sell $7 products or $20 products, and logic would dictate, hey, if my product is super inexpensive, like $7, I'll just sell a bunch of them. It'll be easier. But the truth is, it's very difficult to make a living selling these type of products. Let's say your goal is to earn $6,000 a month in affiliate marketing. That's a reasonable goal for an affiliate marketer. To do that, selling a $20 product, you need to make 10 sales a day every single day. That's not to say go for the highest price product just because of money at all, but it is to say that you need to count the costs before you begin. Before choosing a product to promote, you've got to count the cost and say, how many of these do I need to sell a week in order to achieve my income goal? Because you must cover your marketing costs. You can't promote completely free forever. At some point, you're going to spend money to promote, and you've got to cover those costs and then have profits left over for yourself. Another important factor is residual income. Now, residual income simply means getting paid every time the customer pays, and there's nothing wrong with that. In fact, it's a fair way to do business. Membership sites are a good example. If your customer is paying $100 a month for access, are you paid once on the first sale or are you paid every month? If you're paid every month, that's residual income. And every month is better. Another factor is cash flow, or when will you be paid? This is very important for affiliate marketers. It's not uncommon to be paid 75 days after the sale occurs. Here's why. If the product carries a 60-day money-back guarantee, the product owner is going to wait to pay affiliates until after the refund period's ended, and usually they pay twice a month. So that could be on the 15th of the month. That's over 2 months away. Now, that means you're not going to be able to reinvest in more advertising from the sales you make today. That can be a little bit of a challenge. The solution for this is easy. It's in the mix. The solution is not to be lopsided or one-sided and only promote products that pay you today or pay you $300. It's to have a proper mix, a really smart mix of products. You want a mix of high and low-cost products so that people who join your list over time or the people you're advertising to will respond more. It's been proven time and time again that when you offer a mix of higher and lower cost products, you make more sales because not everyone that you're advertising to or on your list can afford a $300 or $400 product. Some of them can only afford a $7 or a $20 product right now. So offer them all of that and let them choose. You also want to promote products that pay you instantly so that you have good cash flow. Now, I wouldn't recommend only promoting products that pay you instantly because that limits your range of products too much, but do add that to your mix because it helps you with cash flow tremendously. Now, see, here are some things you need to ask before you promote a product. Does it perform the way they say it does? Very important for your reputation to promote top quality, great products, and they need to perform for the customer the way the sales letter says they will. If the product performs for customers, refunds will be low, which will help you. So what is the competition like? That's another question you need to ask. Do they provide good customer service? A very important question. Now let's talk about registering for affiliate programs and how to handle your affiliate link. First, getting your affiliate link. In most cases, you'll need to register to get an affiliate link. This is easy and free to do most of the time. Your affiliate link is very, very important. It's the way the product owner knows to pay you instead of paying someone else. So you want to protect and know that you have that affiliate link right. So be very careful with that link. You always want to test your affiliate link. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second to make sure that you're being credited with the sale. Here's an example from ClickBank, one of the biggest affiliate marketplaces online. What I did here was I went ahead and clicked my own link and I went to the order form, and you see down here where the red arrow is, it says affiliate equals. Now I've blurred out my affiliate ID, but I could see that my affiliate ID was being credited with this potential sale. Very, very important. If you promote ClickBank products, follow this process every time. Here's what I did. I clicked my own affiliate link, and then I went to the order form as if I were going to buy, to make sure that I was being credited as the affiliate. With ClickBank, it's always at the very bottom. With other affiliate networks, it can be in different places. Once you do that, you're good to go. And now you need to protect your affiliate link. Some people will try to steal your commissions by replacing your affiliate ID with their own, and the way to prevent this is to cloak your link. Now, what you can do is just use an ad tracker to do this. It's very easy to do, or a service like Bitly. In this way, you're not putting out what's called a raw affiliate link. The best way, in my opinion, is to use PrettyLink if you have a blog of your own. PrettyLink is a plugin that's free, and what it allows you to do is to put out shortened tracking links that will track, so it'll count the number of clicks, but it also will show your domain name. That way, all the links you give out will have your blog URL, which is good for branding. Now let's look at that product list again. Feel free to write it down so that you can choose great products of your own. Or evaluate the products you promote now. So, number 1, a great product helps buyers. Number 2, it pays you well. Number 3, it pays you quickly. And it pays you enough. That's very important. And it pays you monthly if possible. If you look at your product offerings or you choose products to promote and you make sure it meets these criteria, you're going to do very well indeed. Next, we look at how and where to get traffic and how to find your perfect prospect. Thank you for being here. I hope you enjoyed this module. Make that list and choose your products or evaluate the products you promote now, and you'll find that you'll sell more by selling a wider mix of products. Look forward to seeing you again soon.